In this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect PIR sensor to Arduino board. The components required are PIR sensor and then the Arduino board. So we'll do the connection. The first pin of the sensor, we'll connect it to a digital input signal of the Arduino board. Let's say we'll connect it to the 7th pin. Then the second pin, we'll connect it to the power supply. And the third pin will connect it to the ground. So the connection of the sensor with the Arduino board is over. We'll do the coding part. So here we'll click the coding. We'll select text. So here in the coding part, we are going to measure the sensor value, and then in the serial monitor we are going to print it. So we'll write serial dot begin of 9600. So we are going to set pin mode. So this is 7th pin. So 7 comma input. So once the sensor sends the change in its environment, it just gives that input to the 7th pin. So 7 comma input. Then here in the loop function, we will write. So we'll have a variable sense st. So initially we'll have a sense st is equal to 0. And then we say sen st equal to digital read of 7. So we are going to read that sensor, and if any of the object is in its proximity, it will return 1. If any of the object is not in its proximity, it will return 0. So we'll also write a if loop. If sen st equal to high, then serial dot print of will write object detected. Else we'll write object not detected. So after we close this loop, we'll say a delay of some 20. So now we'll start the simulation to understand the working of this PIR sensor. So we'll start the simulation. So when we start the simulation, we could see that the object is not in the vicinity of the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor does not sense anything. So it returns object not detected. So we'll bring the object close to the sensor. When we bring the object close to the sensor, we could sense that the proximity sensor has sensed. So we'll bring it inside. So we could see that the object detected. It's say when the sensor glows red, it returns object detected. When it does not glow, it returns object not detected.